Unit 2, Activity 2, Moment 2, The Eatwell Guide by Mariana Alejandra Pérez Díaz. Number 1. What is the Eatwell Guide? The Eatwell Guide shows the proportion in which different types of foods are needed to have a well-balanced and healthy diet. Number 2. Who is the Eatwell Guide intended for? The Eatwell Guide applies to most people regardless of weight, dietary restrictions, preferences, or ethnic origin. However, it doesn't apply to children under 2 because they have different nutritional needs. Number 3. When is used the Eatwell Guide? You make healthier choices whenever you are. For example, eating out in a restaurant, cave, or canteen. At home cooking, out shopping for groceries, choosing food on the run, and deciding what to eat. Number 4. What are the groups to Eatwell Guide is divided in? It is divided in fruit and vegetables, potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, and other starchy carbohydrates, hydration, dairy and alternatives, oils and spreads, beans, pulse, fish, eggs, meat and other proteins, and food high in fat, salt, and sugars. Number 5. What are the specific recommendations for each groups? Fruits and vegetables. Eat at least 5 portions of a variety of fruit and vegetables every day. Potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, and other starchy carbohydrates. Choosing whirling version where possible. Dairy and alternatives. Have some dairy or dairy alternatives such as soya drinks, choosing lower fat and lower sugar options. Beans, pulse fish, eggs, meat, and other proteins. You can including 2 portions of fish every week, one of which should be oily. Oil and spreads. Choose unsaturated oils and spread and eat in small amounts. Fluids. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of fluid a day. Food high in fat, salt, and sugar. If consuming food and drink high in fat, salt, or sugar, have this less often and eat in small amounts. Number 6. What about daily hydration? Aim to drink 6 to 8 glasses of fluid every day. Water, lower fat milk, and sugar-free drinks, including tea and coffee, all account. Limit fruit juice and or smoothies to a total of 115 ml a day. Number 7. What about food labeling? They also refer to reference intake which tells you how much of each nutrient should be included in the daily diet. The percentage reference to the contribution that the products make to reference intake for each nutrient. Food labels can help you to choose between foods and to pick choices that are lower in calories, fat, saturated fat, sugar, and salt. Where color-coded labels are used, you can tell at the glance if they are high, medium, or low in fat, saturated fat, sugar, and salt. For a healthier choice, try to pick products with more greens and ambers and fewer reds. And number 8. How many calories per day a person over 11 years old needs? For women, need 2,000 kilocalories, and for men, need 2,500 calories per day. Thank you.